so much, all right. Okay. Right now we're going to do another special song, and this one, well, it's off the 4th album, and believe it or not, this was our first introduction into the United States going back in 1987. Yes, it was after the first 3 albums, but the first 3 albums never came out in the United States, and in fact, still are not domestically out here. Believe it or else. It's amazing how fucked up the music industry is, but, well, that's a whole other fucking story. But this song is fucking awesome. I always loved it. It ended up that we did a video. It was our first video. And it was a video about my dog. And believe it or not, they fucking banned it off fucking VH1 because it represented stalking. Stalking, okay. Anybody remember the video about a dog that turns into me and runs around chasing a girl? Yeah, well, that was called I'm a Mad Dog. Have we got some mad dogs here tonight? Yeah. You can't keep a good dog off your leg, man.